Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Bright English Academy. My name is Sarah, and I'll be your teacher. Let me tell you a little about myself. I'm from Seattle, Washington, in the United States. I've been teaching English for about 8 years, and I really enjoy meeting students from different countries. Here's a little fun fact about me. I love traveling, and I'm always looking for my next destination. Before we get started, does anyone have any questions for me? No, I'm okay. Thank you.
No questions. Thanks.
Great. Let's get to know each other a little better. Yuki, would you like to go first?
Sure. Hi, everyone. My name is Yuki, and I'm from Japan. I work for a travel company in Tokyo. I'm here because I want to improve my English for work and also feel more confident when I travel abroad. My hobby is watching movies and visiting cafes. I'll be studying here for 4 weeks. Nice to meet you all.
Great job, Yuki. I have a couple of tips for you. You said my hobby is watching movies and visiting cafes. That's correct, but in everyday English, native speakers are more likely to say, I like watching movies and visiting cafes.
Oh, I see.
Or even more naturally, I'm really into movies and I love checking out cafes.
I'll try using that.
One more tip. You also said, I'm here because I want to improve my English. That's perfectly fine. But in conversation, we'd often shorten it to, I'm here to improve my English. It sounds a little more natural and conversational.
That makes sense. Thanks.
Raj, do you have a question for Yuki?
Yeah. What kind of movies do you usually watch?
Mostly dramas and comedies.
Nice. Do you have a favorite movie?
I do. My favorite movie is The Devil Wears Prada.
Oh, I've seen that. I really liked it.
Great. Thanks for sharing, Yuki. Okay, Raj, you're up.
Hi, everyone. I'm Raj and I'm from India. I'm a software engineer. English is important for my job, so I'd like to speak more natural and confidently. I also enjoy playing cricket and cooking. I'll be here for 3 months. Nice to meet you all.
Nicely done. I like one expression you used, English is important for my job. Another natural way to say it is I use English a lot at work. Native speakers often talk about how they use English rather than saying it's important. Also, I'd like to speak more natural sounds great. Yuki, do you have a question for Raj?
What's your favorite thing to cook?
Probably butter chicken. Actually, I made it last weekend. Here's a picture.
Wow, that looks amazing.
Thanks, good.
Oh, wow. That looks delicious. You made that yourself?
I did.
I'm impressed. Great job today, both of you. Before we finish, I have one last tip. When you introduce yourself, don't think of it as giving a speech. Think of it as starting a conversation. If you mention your hobbies, your family, your pets, or why learning English, people will naturally have something to ask you about. That's what makes conversations easier and more enjoyable. So don't worry about making the perfect self-introduction. Just give people a reason to keep talking with you. That's all for today. Welcome to the class, and I'll see you in our next lesson.
Don't worry if it feels a little fast at first. Listen to it several times, and you'll gradually get used to the speed. See you in the next lesson.